Hi guys, this is Go for Agriculture channel. Today we are going to discuss Arun Katyan chapter 24b, that is extension education. So the first question is, which is the new extension service approach? So the answer is TNV system, that is training and visit system. So the concept of TNV system was evolved in 1973. Now the question arises is, who founded the TNV system? It is founded by Israeli extension expert Daniel Benner, and so now Israeli extension expert was the consultant on extension program in World Bank. Now next question is, TNV system is also called Baxter and Benor scheme. So where is the Baxter and Benor scheme evolves? It evolved in Turkey. Now the TNV has two stages. First one is training, next one is visit stage. So the training involves the transfer of technical knowledge from subject matter specialist to extension worker. But in the visit, extension worker has to visit the farms for transfer of know-how obtained in the training. Now next, TNV system is introduced in India in 1974. Now the question is, where it is first introduced? It is introduced in Rajasthan canal area and Chambal Lake in MP to improve the effective of agriculture extension. Next question, that is Lab to Land program. Lab to Land program was launched in India on the occasion of ICR Golden Jubilee year in 1979 for only 1 year. Now what is Lab to Land program? The objective is the transfer of proved and viable low cost agriculture technologies to small and marginal farmers and landless laborers. Next question is Krishi Vigyan Kendra. So first Krishi Vigyan Kendra was started at Pondicherry in 1974 under Mohan Singh Mehta committee. So now the credit for the success of KVK goes to Dr. Chandrika Prasad. So what is KVK? It is a farm science center. In this first idea is by ICR to establish KVK under Mohan Singh Mehta committee. Next question is KVK project covered nearly 25,260 villages and a population of 6.4 millions. Now this is the aim of transfer of technical literacy to increase agricultural production. So this design is based on philosophy of teaching by doing and learning by doing. This is the only principle of Krishi Vigyan Kendra. And the main objective of KVK is to impart training or vocational training at the center. Next one, National Extension Service was inaugurated on 2nd October 1953. So National Extension Service is due to the success of Community Development Project. So National Extension Service is owing to limited financial and technical manpower resources. First one is the operational unit of National Extension Service block was 100 villages, that is comprising of 60,000 to 70,000 people. Later on the block was converted into community development and with a high budget to get intensive development programs. Indian Village Service was started by W.H. Fisher 1948. So thanks for watching this video. If you want more and more videos, then subscribe our channel Go for Agriculture. Till then, stay tuned.